Wow. Sweetheart, this pasta is absolutely incredible. The sauce is perfect. The chicken is so tender. How do you make it taste this good? Every single time.
I just followed the recipe and added a little of my own touch.
Your own touch? That's exactly what makes it special. You have golden hands, baby. I could eat this every day and never get tired of it.
Really? You're making me blush.
Good. I love when your cheeks turn pink. You're not only an amazing cook, you're the most caring and beautiful woman I know. I come home from work, tired, and then I see you. I smell this food, and everything becomes better. You make our house feel like a real warm home.
I just want you to feel happy.
And you succeed every day. I'm so proud of you. You work so hard. You take care of everything, and you still look stunning. I don't deserve you, but I'm so grateful. Thank you for loving me like this, my talented and beautiful wifey.
I love you too.
I know, and I will never stop telling you how wonderful you are.
Good afternoon. Where are you going today?
Hi. To the central station, please.
Sure. Traffic is quite heavy today, but we should be there in 20 to 25 minutes.
Okay, no problem. I have a train in an hour.
Are you going somewhere nice?
Yes, I'm visiting my family in another city. I haven't seen them for 2 months.
That's lovely. Family is important. Do you travel often?
Not really. Work keeps me busy. But I try to go home every few months.
I understand. I drive a lot, but I always miss my kids when I work late.
It must be tiring. But you seem very positive.
Thank you. Music helps. Do you want me to turn on some calm music?
Yes, please. That would be nice. Thank you for the chat.
What do you usually do in your free time?
I like photography. I go out on weekends and take pictures of the city.
That sounds cool. I've always wanted to try photography, but I don't have a good camera.
You don't need an expensive one. Your phone is enough in the beginning.
Really? What do you like to photograph most?
Streets, people, sunsets, everything that tells a story. Last week, I took photos of an old market. It was magical.
I love markets too. I enjoy cooking and trying new recipes.
Nice. Maybe we can combine our hobbies? You cook something, and I take beautiful photos of the food.
That's a great idea. I've never thought about that.
We can do it next weekend. I'll bring my camera.
I'm excited already. It will be fun to create something together.
This is how people really speak English, not like in textbooks. Let's learn it together.